So let me tell you one thing. So sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, here I'm facing network issues and at the same time power failure. So sorry, dear children. So let us be back to the class. Hope my video is clear.
Yes,
Okay, so here, Faiza ma'am, this is the first time this academic year we are meeting. Am I right? This is our first class.
yes,
Okay, in this year, I'm going to take EVS 2. Which subject ma'am is handling?
yes,
VS2.
Okay, I was your EVS 1 teacher in the last year, and this year I'll be handling EVS 2. Let's begin the session. And before that, I just wanted to know how many of you like EVS 2?
Vaishnav,
Just put up your hands to know.
Vaishnav.
EVS 2? Oh, only few children like EVS 2? Or you all like
Yeah.
EVS 2? Okay. So don't worry, I will make it more interesting. And here is the first lesson, also very much interesting topic I'm going to tell you. We can talk, we can chit chat, and I'll be sharing some videos, pictures to you. So no worries
Okay,
at all.
ma'am.
We will rock in our EVS2 class. Ready? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, ma'am is going to ask one thing. What's the name of the planet that we live?
Earth.
Okay.
Earth.
Hope you have studied in the third standard. Earth. Okay. Earth is the one and only planet in the solar system that supports life. Supports life. Means air, water, and all living things can live only on Earth. Okay. Our Earth is a unique planet and it is the one and only planet in the solar system to have water and air. And have you heard about continents in your third standard?
No. No, ma'am.
You have not heard about continents. Okay, let me introduce what are continents. Okay, let me tell you, children. Have you heard about our Earth? How can we learn about Earth? Earth we can represent to know to learn about Earth. Two different things that we use to learn about Earth. Have you heard about map,
Yes,
Yes,
globe,
yes.
globe?
yes.
Okay. Once you go through in the third standard, you studied about map and globe, right?
Yes.
Okay, on a globe or on a map, what is the blue color represents?
Water.
Water.
Water. So Earth is 3/4 of our Earth is full of water.
Water.
Agree that? Do you all agree that? Is that water?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now we come back to the big land masses. When you go through a globe, okay, I'll be sharing that one video for you and pictures for you. No worries. Our Earth has. We can talk. We can learn more about our Earth. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then give me a cute smile. And you all know very well that's why sometimes great energy. I want my children should be always smart and energetic in my class. Give me a cute smile. Okay. Fajis, why are you sitting so seriously? Oh. Okay, we are learning about and we are talking about Earth is our planet. Okay, let me tell you, children. Our Earth has large land masses, means big pieces of large land masses. Earth is divided into, there are 7 large, big, large land masses and 5 major oceans on our Earth. Okay, the 7 large land masses, big pieces of land. we can call them continents. We can call them
Continents.
Yes.
Can you please repeat after me? Continents.
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 Okay, what we can call the large land masses? Continents. Continents. There are 7 large land masses on our earth. You know what are they? Let me tell you. Asia, Africa, Australia,
Europe.
North America, South America, Europe, then Antarctica, then Antarctica. These are the 7 continents on our earth. And these each continents, there are number of countries located in each and every continents. You know, what is the name of our country? What's the name of our country?
India.
Yeah.
Can anybody tell me we are in which continent?
India.
Asia, exactly. We are in which continent?
Asia.
Asia. Okay. So here, Ma'am is going to talk about the earth has large land masses. The large land masses. Big pieces of land are called continents. And there are 5 major oceans also. Do you know the names of 5 major oceans?
Pacific,
Pacific
Arabic,
Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean,
Arabic,
then Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. No, not Arabic Ocean. Arabic Ocean is an ocean, but Ma'am is talking about the 5 major oceans on Earth. The 5 major oceans. There are many, but these 5 are very too big. The big, huge water bodies. Okay?
Yes.
The large land masses are called continents. The huge water bodies are called oceans. Tell me, the large land masses are called
Continents.
and the huge water bodies are called oceans. The huge water bodies are called oceans. How many continents on earth? There are 7. How many major oceans on our earth?
5.
Okay. Now here Ma'am is going to write the names of 7 continents. After that only I will be back to the lesson. We can start the class. First of all, you must know about the 7 continents.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. I'll tell you. Let me take the board. Somebody's audio is not muted. Please mute your device. I hope you can see the board, right?
Yes.
Can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, this is too big. Okay, the large. I hope board is clear to you. Now
Yes,
everybody look at the board.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
tell me, the large land masses are called? Tell me, the
Continents.
large land continents. C-O-N. Look at the
Can
spelling.
I write? Can we write?
I think no need. No need.
CONTINENTS.
Continents. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents.
Yes,
Okay,
continents.
there are.
right?
Who's talking? How many times I'm saying? You can't hear me properly?
Yes.
Who is shouting in the class in between?
I
Now listen to ma'am. I didn't. Please listen to ma'am. So we are talking about the large land masses on Earth are called continents.
Continent.
How many continents on Earth? How many are there? Seven. Okay, how many continents on Earth?
Seven.
Okay, here ma'am is going to write number 1. Do you know what is number 1?
Asia.
Asia. ASIA. Asia. Number 2.
Africa.
Africa. Can you help me to get the spelling? Africa. Number 3. Asia, Africa, Australia. Yes. Australia. Number 4. So you can see the first 3 continents names start with A. Africa, Australia. Number 4. Yen. Yen stands for North America. North America. N-O-R-T-H. North America. North America. A-M-R-I-C-A.
South
America. Then
South America.
number 5. N stands for North America. Then number 5, South America. S. South America. South America. Then number 6. Tell me, Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E. Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E. Europe. Then number 7.
U-R-O-P.
Number 7. The last one. Antarctica. See the spelling, bit difficult. A-N-T-A-R-C. C is the
Coldest country.
I-C-A.
Coldest country is Antarctica.
So listen, these are the 7 continents. These are the 7 continents on our Earth. The first one, Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica.
North America, South America.
Okay, here ma'am is going to write, I'm going to write the easy shortcut method. Okay, means the first letter. I'm going to make a shortcut method. A, easy to remember. A, N,
S,
yes,
E,
A. Is it easy?
NSA.
A-N-S-E-A. And C. This is the easy way. This is the easy way to learn the names of continents. Okay, first A stands for Asia. Second A, Africa. Australia.
Third A, Australia.
North America.
North America,
South
South
America.
America, Europe,
Europe. Antarctica.
Antarctica.
How do you feel? Is it easy?
Yes.
Yes.
You can just note down this shortcut. Just write it somewhere in your rough book or somewhere else. You can just note it down. AAA, triple AN, yes, EA. Not all. Just notice the short name. AAANSEA.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I rub the board?
No.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
A-A-N.
Okay, this is enough.
Write this.
AAANSEA. That is the short name to learn. Easy way to learn the names of continents. Easy way to learn the names of continents.
AANSE.
Now, ma'am is going to just note it down. Yay. A. N.
N.
Yes.
E. A.
Easy, right? First
Asia.
Asia.
A-N-S-E.
Africa. Australia.
North America.
South America.
America, Egypt,
Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Easy?
Yes.
You have to think in your mind. Anne. A-A-A-N. Anne. It's the name of a girl. C-S-E-A. Easy?
Yes.
Is there any difficult to learn? Just
No.
to remember A-A-A-N. Anne. C. Anne. It's a girl's name. The first one. A
And
girl's
C.
name.
And
And S-E-A. C.
C.
Clear?
Yes.
C. And C.
Okay, then who can tell me? Look at the shortcut method. Who can tell me the names of the continents, the 7 continents? Niranjan, can you unmute and say? Niranjan.
Africa.
Asia. Start from Asia.
Asia.
Africa.
Africa.
Yeah. Australia.
Australia.
Then N stands for?
North America.
Okay. S stands for?
South America. South America.
E stands for?
Europe.
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 The last A, Antarctica.
And can I say?
Okay, this is enough. No, Arthur Martin. Arthur Martin, you have to mute your device and sit. Okay. Now, ma'am is going to write, there are 5 major oceans. Oceans. O, C, E, A, N. Yes, oceans. How many major oceans on our earth? There are 5. There are 5.
We want to write this.
And no need. If you want, you can just note it down. Again, one easy method is there to learn the names of oceans. That is P, A, I, A. How can we read this?
Pi.
A. Okay, this is the shortcut method. P stands for Pacific Ocean. A stands for Atlantic. Okay, let me write the names of the 5 oceans. P, A, C, I, F, I, C. Pacific Ocean. Then Atlantic. A, T, L, A, N. T, I, C. Atlantic Ocean. Then Indian. If you want, you can. No need to ask. Indian. Then again, next A. Arctic. Arctic.
Atlantic.
The last A. Arctic. Antarctic. Arctic. Antarctic. The last A. Antarctic. Antarctic. This is an easy way to learn the names of 5 major oceans on our earth. Actually, this is not in your textbook. For your general knowledge, ma'am is teaching this. Oceans. So we have to remember this shortcut method. P-A-I-A-A. P-A-I-A-A. Is it clear, Shiva?
Yes, ma'am.
Shiva? Okay, P stands for? Okay, A stands for?
Atlantic.
I stands for?
Indian.
Indian Ocean. The next A stands for?
Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean. The last A?
Antarctic Ocean.
Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Here, ma'am is going to stop share.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am is going to rub the board. There are 5 major oceans on our earth. The easy way, P-A-I-A-A. Listen, let me tell you once again. Let me write once again. A-A-A-N-S-E-A. What is this? What is this? The names of continents. The names of continents. There are 7 continents. Then P A I A. What is this? Five oceans. Five oceans. Hope it is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear up the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear up the board. Yes.
Yes.
So now everybody know about there are 7 continents and 5 oceans on our earth. And in olden days, here ma'am is talking about something. Please don't write anything. Just listen to ma'am. In olden days, it was only possible to travel across Asia, one continent to another continent, Asia, Africa, Europe by land. Long years back. People always like to travel. Am I right?
Yes.
I like to travel. I like to go to different places. How many of you like to go to different places to explore? Even I also like to travel. See, nowadays we all are stuck in our home because of this pandemic condition, this deadly coronavirus. We cannot meet our friends. Listen, actually, we all human beings, we love to travel. Okay, let me back. So, in very, who's talking? Please allow me to talk in the class. Mute your device. Okay. So here ma'am is talking about years back in very olden days. Listen, people used to travel from one continent to another continent. Like, it is the only one and only possible way they can travel from Asia to Africa to Europe by land. By land. Then what happened, you know? However, many rulers from this Asia and many rulers, there are many emperors, there are many kingdoms. Yours, ma'am is talking about years back. In very olden days, 200, 300 years back, 300, 400 years back. We are not, listen, they could travel only by land. Only by land. Then what happened, you know? Many rulers at that time, they were ruled in those countries in Asia, Africa, and Europe. They blocked the different roads passing through their lands. They blocked all the roads. Then what happened, you know? People had to find out a new way to reach these places. People had to find out new ways. Oh, this ruler, sometimes one person from Asia who is really like to travel to Europe. So one Europe ruler, he may be blocked on the road. So what he has to do, the person who really loves to travel, oh, he has to find another way to reach the country. Am I right? He has to find another way to reach the country. So, searching for a new place or finding out more about an unknown place is called explorations. Then people start exploring the world. In this lesson, we can talk about many famous explorers. Have you watched the cartoon Dora the Explorer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
But I love
No,
to
I
watch the
don't
cartoon
see.
Dora. Dora,
I don't
Dora,
like
Dora,
it.
Dora.
I don't like
I
it.
will see when I'm baby.
I don't like
I
it.
will see when I'm baby only.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Anyway, I love to watch the cartoon Dora. I like to
I
watch
don't
the
like
Can you
cartoon.
watch
And
with me? I will
okay,
see
okay,
that.
okay, let me tell you. Okay, please mute your device. Okay, in that cartoon, that girl Dora, she is always exploring the new places. Oh, we can go to that place. We can go to this place. The Dora is, she's always roaming around here and there with her best friend Buji. She's actually exploring. Am I right? What she's
Yes.
doing? She's exploring. She's exploring. You have to take the word. This is the new word I'm introducing to you. Exploring. Exploration. Exploring. The Dora, the girl is exploring. And this is, I'm talking about one cartoon, no? Listen, in olden days, when people from one ruler from Asia, one ruler from Africa and Europe, they all blocked the way, then they had to travel from one place to another. And all the roads on the land, they were blocked by these rulers. Nowadays also we can see that roads were blocked due to this
Corona.
lockdown days. We can see policemen and some policemen standing when you go with your parents. Can you see policemen? Huh?
Yes.
Roads and all.
Maybe.
They are actually blocking the road, right?
Yes.
Many roads were blocked.
In the one time.
Like that, the rulers,
Yes,
olden
ma'am.
days rulers, who is talking? Olden days, the rulers, they blocked the way. Then these explorers had to find out a new places. And searching for a new place or finding more about an unknown place is called exploration. Okay, yeah. 1 minute. Take participants. Mute all. Then click this.
Okay, ma'am.
Then yes. We have muted. Okay. Then if we want to unmute them, listen. So let us stop the class. Let's stop the class. Today's our time is over. And we will continue the word exploration and the word exploring the world and with our Dora cartoon in our next coming classes with some famous explorers. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.